Hey everyone, today let's take a look at IEETEC P800 portable power station. It's useful when you have any emergency, like maybe you're hit by a hurricane or you have any devices like medical devices. And there's another usage that you can take it to go camping or barbecue. Now let's see what's inside. Okay, now let's open the box. Inside the box, we have a user manual. We have 3 charging cables. This is the product itself. As you can see, open this case, then you will find a 4-in-1 charging cable and a flashlight. Now let's test the AC charging. Firstly, plug in the AC charging input with this AC charging cable. The maximum AC input power for this machine is 600 watts. You can fully charge it from 0% to 100% within 1.2 hours. On the screen, you can notice the real-time input power and you can also see the estimated time of fully charged. Now listen, it's really quiet when charging. So you can charge it in the evening even though when you're sleeping.